Alright guys, today's challenge looks challenge to me. The other day we did a balut egg challenge. If you're new to the channel and you didn't catch that one, make sure you check it out. Yeah, ew for lit. But anyways, today's challenge is a fruit that's considered one of the most stinkiest fruits in the world, if not the stinkiest fruit in the world. It stinks so bad, hotels won't even allow you to take it into their hotel because it just stinks up the place so bad. You know, I had to go over to, where did I go to get it? SM, the hypermarket over at SM, because the fruit right now isn't in season. Yeah, it's not in season, so I had to go over there and get it, and I got it over there to SM. Now down in Lutz province, when it's in season, it's all over the place. I've smelt it. It does smell nasty. Lutz said she only tried it once. I've never tried it. Only smelt it, and I couldn't get past the smell. But if you're wondering what the fruit is, it's a Durian fruit. Like I said, I went over to the hypermarket to get it, and I asked the kid over there if he, if they had it, and he said yes. And I actually asked him if he could cut it open and put some of the meat in a separate tray. And he opened it up, and as soon as he opened it up, man, you could smell it. It stank so bad. As I was checking out, I could smell it. They stuck it inside a plastic or a paper bag. I could still smell it. When I was walking through the mall, I could smell it. Got in the car, I could smell it. Got to the apartment, I could smell it. Got back into the car to come over to the store here. I could still smell it in the car. So, I mean, it stinks. I mean, it really does stink. Look, what would you say it smells like?
Huh?
What do you think it smells like?
Smells gross.
Like,
they said it smells like hell. Tastes like heaven. I'm not really, I don't know. I like durian. I don't, that's before, but I don't know now if I still like it. But I guarantee you I like durian.
See, she's had it and she said she likes it. So, the best way to describe it would be, I don't know, like smelling the mummy's breath. Anthony Bourdain said it would be like the smell of kissing your dead grandmother. I guess another way to describe it is like a men's locker room after like a sporting event. You throw the t-shirts and the pants and the underwear and the socks in a big bin and throw the jock straps in there. Like push it inside a sauna, turn the sauna all the way up and let it fester and cook in there and then walk in. Yeah, that's just some ways to describe it.
It smells like a foot.
Smells like a foot, like a nasty, dirty foot.
When you're sweating.
Like a sweaty, nasty foot. The neighbor girl said it smells like dog poo-poo. But anyways, like I said, they put it in this paper bag here, and I mean you can smell it just oozing out of the bag. But anyways, let me show you what this durian looks like. Now they actually wrapped it up. Like I said, the kid cut it. He cut it open, and then I asked him if he could wrap it up. So he did wrap it up, and it's inside plastic wrap, and like you can still smell it through the plastic wrap. But I mean, it kind of reminds you of like a big pine cone, with these this is all prickly, like almost kind of looks like a puffer fish. But anyways, let's open the guest of honor out, and the guest of honor, let's open it up and let's get a nice woof of it. That there he put, like I said, he took it and actually he cut some of it open and put it inside a little container, but I'll show you that after this. But yeah, let's open this up. I mean, it
stinks.
It does, it's stinky.
Oh boy. Oh. Did you take a bath?
Yeah. It smells like,
Smells like you don't even have a take a bath for a year.
Yeah. But yeah, here it is. Like I said, he cut it open so you can actually see the inside of it. Inside here, when we open it up, we'll split it open right here, and then you'll be able to see the fruit inside. But it's rancid. I mean, it is rancid. Here's the other half right here. The fruit actually I don't know what they call it, fruit, or they call it the meat of the meat of the durian fruit. It sits in here. We'll open that up. You got a knife foot, or can you rip it open?
No, you can't.
Yeah, you got to kind of cut it open because these spiny things are they're actually really sharp, actually really hard.
Here. Where's the knife?
Oh wait, hang on. He started one here.
Oh.
Oh, he opened that one up too.
Oh, that's already.
Yeah, that one's already open. But yeah, this one's open and the meat of it is already out. So we're gonna open up this other one here.
Yeah, it's already on.
Yeah, you open it. How do I cut this up? What? Oh, there it is. It is hard to cut.
It is.
But
oh boy.
Oh boy. Hang on, let me try to open this up.
Careful. Oh, because that's supposed to be over here.
What is? There it is. There it is. It's open now. Oh, you can see all the creamy juices in there. Hang on. Let me show you guys. There's all the creamy juice. I think I actually cut through it. But there is all. Oh, I cut the wrong area. But there it is, actually cut through the meat of it. Anyways, you can see the inside of it. It's actually creamy. It almost feels like whipped cream. It almost feels like soft butter. But it does stink. But anyways, there is the inside of it. I'll open this up and I'll show you the ones that he actually opened up and actually put the durian meat inside there. So let me do that.
Ano ganda?
The customer just came up and he smelt it. He got a whiff of it. You don't like durian?
Yeah, I don't like durian.
You don't like durian?
I like this now.
I don't know if I like it. I never tasted it. But yeah, it smells. I mean, it does. You can smell it. Like I said, you know if you're in a room where the durian is because it does smell. So let me open this up.
I'm about to hurt.
It's going to be in your clothes now.
Yeah, it's really
You're going to need to take a shower. That is funny. He's covering his nose. He's covering everything up.
Covering my nose because of durian. The smell is not good. I don't like it.
Yeah.
The smell only, but it's not taste good or what?
I don't know. I never tasted it, so I really couldn't tell you. The first time I've ever tasted it. So, but yeah, this is the meat right here. Ooh, what is it? Is it stinky? But yeah, this is the meat. Like I said, it's creamy. You can see it on my fingers. It's creamy and almost feels like a piece of soft butter in your hands. But anyways, here we go. I'm going to give this a shot. Are you ready, Lut?
Yes.
All right, hang on here. Let me get this over. All right, here we
Cheers.
go. Cheers.
Oh.
Whew. I think it's more of the smell than anything because it does actually taste pretty good. It's creamy when you bite into it. It kind of just melts in your mouth.
Kind of better.
Hmm?
It's kind of better.
It says it's kind of bitter.
It is. This is if you have dengue, you need to eat it.
Yeah, dengue eat that? Yeah.
My mom will kill people just for that.
Her mom will kill people just for that. Yes, it's actually, it does taste pretty good, you know. The whole key to everything is getting past that smell. The old saying, smells like hell, but tastes like heaven.
Hell. That's like heaven.
It is. It actually, it does taste pretty good.
But all you do is just cover your nose like that.
Yeah. Cover your nose and eat it. So, Very good. Very good.
Just good to eat like 2.
I think it would be better if it was cold. I like fruit cold.
Oh.
But it is good. It's like
Tastes like better.
it's like a creamy texture to it. A little sweetness to it.
Ano
But it's not bad. I don't think it's bad at all.
Kain ka? Ha?
Okay na.
SIM card? Oo, wala. Akala ko load.
Oh yeah. There it is, guys. Good challenge. Actually, tastes good. I'm actually digging out the creamy part inside the shell here. It does taste good.
This is the last one. I can't eat the...
Can't eat it all? She can't eat it all. But anyways, guys, this challenge was a success, I would say. It was a success. No...
do I need to eat this again?
Would you eat it again?
Nah.
Not in a while. Yeah, but it wasn't that difficult of a challenge. Like I said, the worst part is getting past that smell.
Ouch.
Once you get past that smell, it is very good.